Much better than when I first
Much better. So basically what I'm checking to see how the pelvis is moving. When the pelvis is jammed, it means the fifth lumbar has gone back and encroaching on the pelvic region, you know? That's kind of my take on back pain. So far, that's been a hot ticket for everyone that I'm working with. Left leg up, please. Slowly. And up again. And moving. Lift up the right side. Really good. Really good. Up on the right. Good. Up on the left. You know, it's moving.
Okay.
But any pain here out of curiosity?
No.
Any pain here?
No.
Doing really good, man.
Yeah.
Not a big deal.
Okay.
You know, but I wanna push a little tiny bit.
Okay.
Right here at the fifth lumbar.
Okay.
And see if you'll move a little tiny bit. You have some what do you call it? Blood pressure.
Yeah, I do have high blood pressure.
Yeah, let's see here. All right, go down all the way, please. More relaxed. More relaxed. Deeper. Your leg in a little tiny bit. Yeah, just like that. Go down more. Deeper, more deeper. You're on the beach, right? Mm-hmm. Let's feel that hot water getting onto your feet. More relaxed. Pretty nice. That's all you need. Come on up. Now make sure that everything's still moving even better. Lift the left leg up. Nice. Good. Up on the left. Yeah, that opens you up even more.
Okay.
Lift this leg up. Fantastic. Left. Now everything's moving even better. You were getting kind of stagnated. That bone was coming back, and now you're really styling. This one. Yeah, neck is looking good. No problemos. Very nothing at C7. Not a big deal, but drop everything, look straight ahead, more relaxed. There it is. Took me years to feel the bone. Instead of just using the machine, I can actually feel what the bone is out of line. Looking really good.
Okay, cool.
That's all it takes, man.